Well, I think the media is probably misunderstanding that. I don't think that my client, when she asked the boy to stop bullying her daughter, got the wrong person. But we'll see what the sheriff has to say when I actually get the report. I'm going to remind everybody that my client is adamant. She never laid hands on this boy. That is what must be made clear. She did ask him to stop bullying her daughter. She did not get the wrong boy. The boy is lying if he claims otherwise. It's that simple. I'm not going to answer any of those questions right now except to say that my client was upset enough to ask the boy to stop bullying her daughter. And besides, why does it matter how long it was going on? She was protecting her daughter. If it happened even once, that's enough.
Has there been any communication with the school over this in terms of the principal talking to Delia about it?
Again, I'm going to say that doesn't matter. It does not matter. How long as a parent are you supposed to wait for your daughter to be bullied before you intervene? We're going to deal with I'm going to answer all those questions in due course.
Had she gone to the school administration to ask them about this issue?
I'm going to answer all those questions in due course. I don't want to say any more than I need to at this point. My client did nothing wrong.
Can you at least say how you got this evidence that you said this boy may have been making this up?
We hired a very excellent investigator who has done his job well as he always does.
Is he saying there were any race-related marks involved in this?
That's my information at this time, although I don't think that, again, is significant. In terms of, it doesn't matter, folks. My client did nothing wrong. She protected her daughter. That's what matters.
And the public has really wanted to hear from Mom. I know you're saying you're speaking on her behalf, but is there anything that you can just say? This is your child. Is there anything you want to say at all?
She is pending criminal charges, and at this point, she wants to speak through her attorney, and I think you should respect that. I understand this is an important story, but my client's life and liberty is on the line right now. She's speaking through me.
So today in court, they just put it off until June.
Sorry,
That's right. And at that point, the district attorney will either file charges, or I will be asking that my client be discharged entirely and free from the criminal justice system. All right? So this story will be developing over the next few weeks. You should feel free to ask the district attorney's office about the exculpatory material that I'll be providing them, and hopefully they will do the right thing and let my client go.
What would you say about the strength of the DA's case?
At this point, Paul, I don't know what evidence they have. I only know what evidence I have, and I suspect that I'll be able to show that this boy made up this story. He's a bully, after all. That's what bullies do.
Name and